Today, I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite and easy and delicious tofu recipe. We're gonna use soy sauce seasoning, which is so simple to make, and braise it with onions, and it comes out so delicious. And the tofu comes out meaty, and then you have it together with Korean rice. Oh, I mean, even my children that do not like tofu, they ask for this soy sauce braised tofu dish all the time. 오늘의 레시피, 아주 간단하고 맛있는 간장두부조림 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. It's hard to explain. It's that good. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online. For our tofu recipe today, we need 16 ounces of extra firm tofu and cut into blocks like so. Place 2 sheets of paper towel and lay the blocks on the towel like so. Then lay another 2 sheets of paper towel like so. Then place a small plate on top like so and come back in 10 minutes. So while we're waiting on the tofu, we're gonna get our soy sauce seasoning sauce ready. We need 2 tablespoons of jin soy sauce, 간장양. If you don't have 간장양, you could use all-purpose Korean soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Vegan friends, skip the oyster sauce. We need 1 tablespoon of finely minced fresh garlic. Half tablespoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of 소고기 다시다. Vegan friends, use yandu. And here we have half a cup of hot water that we're gonna add to our soy sauce seasoning sauce. Then mix well. Then put this to the side while we get our tofu ready. And for our vegetables, we need 1 scallion finely minced. Put this to the side. And half of a medium-sized onion. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes and let's take a look. So at this point, your paper towel should be soaking wet. And this is to remove the excess water from our tofu. So when you go to pan fry it later, we don't have that firework of oil and water mixing together and creating a mess on your stove. So from here, we're just gonna add a little bit of salt to our tofu like that. And we're just gonna salt one side. You can order Korean ingredients for today's recipe at Amazon.com. So go to Amazon.com/shop/modernpepper and I will see you there. Set your heat to high. Preheat your frying pan for about a good minute or 2. Now once your frying pan is preheated, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of oil, like so. Then with your heat remaining high, we're gonna add our tofu pieces. So the side with the pepper and the salt goes down first. Make sure to leave some space in between each tofu block. And I want you to set your heat to high and cook this until it's nice and golden brown. So it's been 2 minutes and let's take a look. Oh yeah, so we just want to get to a point where it's this nice and golden brown to our tofu block. Then turn everything over. Now once you turned everything over, I want you to lower your heat to medium high now and let this turn golden brown on the other side as well. It's been about 2 minutes on medium-high heat, and just like that, nice and golden brown on both sides. Now I want you to push all the tofu to the outer rim of the frying pan. Then we're gonna add our onions right in the middle, and we're just gonna add a small pinch of salt to our onion. Then we're gonna take our soy sauce seasoning that we made and we're just gonna pour it on top. Oh, love that sound! So I want you to turn the heat down to medium now. Then quickly cover with a piece of foil like so. Then place your lid. If you have a lid that matches your frying pan, obviously you don't need the foil, but we're just gonna let this simmer on medium heat for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Let's turn off our heat and let's take a look. Ooh la la. Look at that. Oh, So we're gonna take our green onions, scallions like so, and we're just gonna mix everything up like that. Or look at that, soy sauce drenched tofu. This is gonna be so flavorful, so yummy. Oh, you're gonna love it. And basically this is done, folks. Okay, let's quickly transfer this to a plate. Then we're gonna add just a little bit of sesame seeds on top. So less is always more when it comes to sesame seeds, as I always say. Then we're gonna add a drizzle of sesame oil like so. Oh, now it smells wonderful. And this is optional, but I'm gonna garnish with some shirgochu. This is chili threads. It just makes everything look so much prettier. And it's not spicy at all. And there we have it, folks. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, let's go in. Mmm. 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 The tofu tastes so meaty because we pulled out the excess water. It doesn't even taste like tofu because the soy sauce seasoning is just so yummy. You're missing out. You really have to make this. Oh, so yum. Mmm. Mmm. And my other favorite part of this dish is the onions. It tastes so naturally sweet. Wait, but let me taste it first for you. Mmm. Mmm. So yummy. The onions are just so sweet, naturally sweet, but it's drenched in this delicious soy sauce seasoning. It just, it's hard to explain. It's that good. And then, of course, you have to have it with Korean rice together because this is a side dish after all, but it also serves as an entree in my household. That's how much everyone loves this dish. Even my husband, who's like, oh, I don't do tofu, but I'm like, I'm gonna eat this tonight. He's like, oh, okay. For me, Korean rice and one good Korean side dish, ugh, the best, the best. Mmm, mmm. When you have it with warm Korean rice together, it's like perfection. So yummy. Don't take my word for it. Try it at home. It's that delicious. That's what I'm saying. And of course, you have to put a small piece of kimchi with your delicious soy sauce tofu together. Oh, now that's a perfect bite. And it's just like, I'm all good. I'm like, oh, I'm good. I'm blessed in life. Mmm. Mmm. Wait, don't go anywhere. I need you to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on the playlist tab and select Korean side dishes banchan recipe playlist, and I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you haven't done so, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.